story for you today. That's all about taking something brand new. Well, new is at least. If you're like me and you've got a pair of Nike sneakers that are, let's just say, a little worse for wear, you know exactly how it feels when those beloved kits start peeling and losing their shine. But guess what? Don't toss them just yet. Today, I'm going to show you how I took my old workout Nike sneakers and gave them a whole new life. I'm talking upcycling them into something fabulous. Just wait until you see the transformation. The material is worn out, and honestly, they don't look too hot anymore. And it's not just about the look. It's like they are trying to tell me, please, just let me go. Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Evelyn, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So here's the deal. I've had these sneakers for years, like literally years. They've been through everything, rain, mud, countless trips, and they've held up pretty well. But the surface is starting to crack.
But here's the thing, I can't just throw them away. I have too many memories with these shoes. I thought about tossing them, but then I thought, why not trying to fix them? So I went on a little journey to bring them back to life. First things first, filling in those cracks. Now the surface is super damaged. I'm talking big noticeable cracks that can't be ignored. To fix that, I grabbed this filler. Super simple stuff. Just a little bit of elbow grease and patience. I just apply it carefully to the cracks area, and it starts to smooth out the damage. So, what I want to do is apply a nice even layer. Don't worry about being perfect right now. I will sand it down later. The key is making sure I'm covering all the cracks and getting it deep into the crevices. It's all about bringing the surface back to something solid and smooth. Okay, so once the filler's applied, I let it dry, and then I sand it down. But here's where things start to get tricky. No matter how much I sanded, the surface wasn't getting as smooth as I wanted. It's like the cracks were just too deep to fully fix. So, here is where the fun part comes in. Instead of giving up, I decided to bling these babies up. Yes, you heard me right. Sequins. I thought, why not cover up the imperfection with something that will make these shoes pop? I mean, it's either toss them or turn them into a statement piece, right? To start, I use a strong glue that will hold the sequins in place. I am just dabbing a bit of glue on the surface and placing the sequins one by one. The goal here is to cover up the cracks, but also to give it a totally new vibe. Adding a little sparkle, a little personality. I'm not gonna lie, this takes some time. I want to make sure I'm placing the sequins carefully, so they form a nice pattern. I went with a random, almost chaotic design because I didn't want it to look too perfect. The beauty of this is that you can just get creative and have fun with it. So, here's why I love upcycling. First of all, it's a sustainable way to breathe a new life into something that would have just ended up in a landfill. Second, it's a creative outlet. I mean, I never thought I'd be sitting here gluing sequins to my sneakers, but I'm so glad I did it. And finally, it's just fun. I get to take something old and make it my own, giving it a whole new personality. Now, I know not everyone's into sequins, but this concept can apply to anything. You can patch up those worn out shoes, give them a little sparkle, paint them, or even add fabric, patches, or anything you want. And here I am, The moment I've been waiting for. After about a day or so of gluing, I've got the final look. Here they are. What do you think? They've gone from cracked and burned out to a total statement piece. The sequins totally mask the damage and add a whole new level of flair. They are not just sneakers anymore. They are an art project, they are fashion. The possibilities are endless. If you've got some old sneakers lying around, I hope this gives you some inspiration to upcycle them. Trust me, it's totally worth it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new here, subscribe for more DIY, upcycling, and creative projects. I'd love to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments if you have ever upcycled anything yourself or if you are thinking of trying it out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!